Hey there, science fans. Ever wondered about the incredible journey of how a single cell develops into a bouncing baby? It's a story full of wonder, mystery, and a whole lot of science. We call this incredible process conception to implantation, and it's the very beginning of a human life. From the moment a sperm cell meets an egg cell, a chain reaction of events unfolds, eventually leading to the formation of an embryo nestled snugly inside the mother's womb. It's a delicate dance of biology, with each step crucial for the development of new life. Over the next few sections, we're going to break down this amazing process into bite-sized pieces, exploring the science behind each stage. So buckle up, get ready to be amazed, and let's dive into the fascinating world of conception and implantation. Ready to learn more? Let's go! Before we talk about the journey itself, let's meet our star players. The male and female reproductive systems. Each plays a unique and essential role in the making of a baby. The male reproductive system is like a sperm-making factory. It's got the testes, which produce millions of tiny sperm cells, each carrying half of the genetic material needed to create a new life. Then there's the penis, responsible for delivering these sperm during sexual intercourse. Now, onto the female reproductive system. Think of it as a welcoming, nurturing environment designed for baby making. The ovaries hold the woman's eggs, each containing the other half of the genetic material. The vagina acts as the entry point for sperm, while the fallopian tubes serve as the pathway to the uterus, where a fertilized egg will eventually implant and grow. See? Each system has a specific job to do, and they work together to make the magic happen. Okay, so the sperm are raring to go and the egg is waiting patiently in the fallopian tube. But how does a sperm even get there? Buckle up, because it's a wild ride. During sexual intercourse, millions of sperm are deposited into the vagina. That's right, millions. But only the strongest and fastest swimmers will even have a chance at reaching the egg. It's a perilous journey through the cervix, a tiny opening that leads to the uterus, and then up into the fallopian tubes. Along the way, many sperm encounter obstacles like acidic environments and the woman's immune system, which can make their journey even tougher. Talk about an obstacle course, but for that one lucky sperm, the reward is worth the effort. Now for the main event, fertilization. This is where the magic truly happens. Imagine this, a single sperm against all odds reaches the egg. But it's not a free pass in. The egg is surrounded by a protective layer, and the sperm has to work hard to break through. Once a sperm successfully penetrates the egg's outer layer, something amazing occurs. The egg's surface changes, preventing any other sperm from entering. Talk about exclusivity. The nuclei of the sperm and egg then fuse together, combining their genetic material. This fusion creates a single cell called a zygote, the very first stage of a new human life. From a single cell, a whole new human being will eventually develop. Incredible, right? Section 5, down the tubes we go, the zygote's transformation. With fertilization complete, the zygote isn't just lounging around in the fallopian tube. Oh no, it's already hard at work, dividing and multiplying as it makes its way towards the uterus. This journey takes about 3 to 5 days, and during this time, the zygote transforms from a single cell into a cluster of cells called a blastocyst. Think of the blastocyst as a tiny ball of cells, kind of like a miniature berry. This little ball has two important parts: the inner cell mass, which will eventually develop into the fetus, and the trophoblast, which will become the placenta, the organ that nourishes the developing baby. It's like a tiny house on the move, getting ready to settle down and grow. Section 6, making a home implantation in the uterus. After its journey down the fallopian tube, the blastocyst arrives in the uterus, a cozy, pear-shaped organ that's getting ready to be a temporary home for the next 9 months. But it's not just a matter of finding any old spot. The blastocyst needs to find the perfect spot in the uterine lining, which is now thick and rich with blood vessels, ready to support a pregnancy. Once it finds the perfect spot, the blastocyst burrows itself into the uterine lining, a process called implantation. This is where the trophoblast really shines. It forms finger-like projections that help the blastocyst attach securely to the uterine wall. This connection is vital because it allows the blastocyst to receive oxygen and nutrients from the mother's bloodstream. It's like planting a seed in fertile soil. The blastocyst is now officially settled in and ready to grow. Section 7. A new beginning. The significance of implantation. Implantation marks a crucial milestone in the journey from conception to birth. It signifies the beginning of pregnancy and sets the stage for the incredible development that's about to take place over the next 9 months. Once implanted, the blastocyst starts producing a hormone called human chorionic gonadotropin, or HCG. This hormone is what pregnancy tests detect, letting a woman know that a tiny life is growing inside her. From this point on, the developing baby will rely on the placenta for nourishment and oxygen, growing bigger and stronger every day. It's a time of immense change and excitement as a new life takes hold and begins to thrive. Section 8, a final word, the wonders of life unveiled. So there you have it, the incredible journey from conception to implantation. We've explored the amazing teamwork of the male and female reproductive systems, the perilous race of the sperm, the magical moment of fertilization, the transformative journey of the zygote, and the crucial process of implantation. From a single cell to a tiny embryo nestled safely in the womb, it's a testament to the power and beauty of nature. A reminder that life finds a way, and that each and every one of us started our journey in this miraculous way. So next time you see a pregnant woman or a newborn baby, remember the incredible journey they've been on. A journey that started with a single spark of life and blossomed into something truly amazing. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop being amazed by the wonders of science.